Hello, welcome back to the Notifox channel. My name is Mathis, and in this video I will show you how to set up your Notifox account so you're ready to start sending alerts. First thing you want to do, obviously, is create a Notifox account. You can do that by going to notifox.com and then clicking on the Get Started button here or the Sign Up button on the top right. Once you click that, it will take you to this page where you can either click to log in with GitHub. This is the easiest option. You will not have to create an account or enter a password. Alternatively, if you would like to use your email, you can click on Sign Up, and that will take you to the sign up experience. Once you're logged in, you will see this page, and this is the Notifox console. In order to start sending messages, we need to first do a couple of steps. And so the first thing I want to show you is the audiences. You'll notice that there is a pre-populated audience here, pre-configured, under the name of me, with the email that you use to sign up for already pre-configured. If you would like to add a phone number to this audience so that you can send both emails and texts to this me audience, you can do so by clicking on the edit button here on the right, and then adding a phone number over here by clicking the add button next to the phone number, and I will show you how to do that. That will open up a modal, and you just want to enter in your phone number. So I'm going to do that here, 6153748, and then click on add phone number. And that will pop up a text message on my phone with a verification code, and you can just enter that in. It should be a 6-digit verification code, 6211, and click on verify. And now the phone number here is verified as well, and we can use the me audience to send both text and email. If we would like to create a separate audience, maybe for another email or another phone number, or for someone else like your colleague or your teammate, you can do that by clicking on add audience and then giving the audience a name. I like to pick a pretty straightforward name. So if I'm creating an audience for my friend or my colleague Joe, I would like to call this audience Joe, alternatively Mathis, or whatever floats your boat. In this case, I'm going to call it Mathis because that is my name. And then here we get to the same point. I've already shown you how to add a phone number, but in order to add an email address, it's pretty much the exact same here. It will ask us to enter the email address. I will go in here and copy my Proton mail address and fill that in and click on add email address, and that will send us a code via email, very similar to the text, where it gives us a verification code that we need to enter in order to signify that we actually own this email account. And that is kind of all you need to do for the audiences, right? We have a me audience and a Mathis audience that will allow us to select who we can send emails and SMSs to, alerts. The last thing we need to do is we need to configure an API token. This will allow us to communicate with the Notifox Alerts API and kind of tell it that we are actually the person we claim to be. Click on the API tokens button here on the left, and then in order to create a new API token, click on Create Token. And this will show us the token one time. We can click on this button here on the right to copy it and then close this window. Next up, I recommend that you either save this API token in a password manager or somewhere else safe where no one can access it. What I recommend doing for specific projects or things that you're building is exporting this API token in your terminal. Practically all Notifox SDKs and the Notifox CLI, for example, will try to read the Notifox API key environment variable in your system and use that as the API key, so that you don't even need to expose this variable in your code. So we'll do that here and say export lowercase Notifox API key is equal to our API key, for example. And then we can actually send an alert. For example, I will do uname-a, and then we will send that into the Notifox CLI. I know this is kind of off topic, but we'll do Notifox send. We will configure the audience for me, the channel being email. And if we press enter, that should send us an email. Oh, we have insufficient balance. Well, good thing, because I have a promo code here that is launch 10 that will give you $1 worth of credits. And if we resend this, we should receive this email here any second now. Let's go here. And there it is. We have our alert. We can also see this alert in the alerts tab over here. I hope this made it a little bit clearer on how to actually set up your Notifox account, your audiences, and your API token. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please feel free to subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below, or alternatively, if you go to the landing page here, if you click on the Discord button here at the top, you will be invited to our Discord server where we have several active members who would be happy to answer any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.